I often talk to people at companies who are planning to expand to other markets. The question I get is, what do we need to think about when we expand to these new markets? We need to translate a lot of text, we need websites, we need product material, product text, etc. In many other languages. And maybe they only have it in English or Swedish or maybe a few more languages, but now they need it in 20. One of the most important things is to have in mind that going onto a new between means going into a new or different culture as well. There are cultural differences between every country in the world, even within countries sometimes, and even for neighboring countries like, for example, Sweden and Denmark, the culture differs a lot. So you need to keep that in mind, and when you translate, it should also reflect the cultural differences. So not just translating word for word into Danish, for example, but also taking into account cultural adaptation. For that, it's really important to have people on the market, on the local market, who knows the people there, who knows what marketing looks like in that country and what's acceptable, what's not, what's frowned upon, and so on. So that's a very important aspect. Yes, I think those are the key things that I would recommend. And of course, taking help from a language partner is a good first step, because we can set up a process for you, do all those first steps that you need to take to put up a good strategy when you're planning to go into a new market.